Welcome to Hinode by T3 Solutions. This video is the recap of the properties of numbers. I have already uploaded videos regarding the properties of whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers in detail. Properties help us to understand the numbers better and make calculations very simple. Here we are going only through the remarks of the properties under all the four basic operations on different types of numbers. First is closure property. When we perform the operations addition and multiplication on rational numbers, integers, and whole numbers, the answers we get will be the same type of numbers. That is, when we add two rational numbers, the answer is again a rational number. And when we multiply two whole numbers, the answer is again a whole number. So we can say these three types of numbers are closed under the operation addition and multiplication. If we do the same for division, the answers we get need not always be the same type of numbers. So, these three types of numbers are not closed under the operation division. But rational numbers are closed under division if 0 is excluded. In the same way, we can say rational numbers and integers are closed under subtraction, while whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. Because when we subtract a whole number from another whole number, the answer need not always be a whole number. Next is commutative property. For all the three types of numbers, we can add or multiply the numbers in any order. Changing the order does not alter the result. So, addition and multiplication are commutative, while subtraction and division are not commutative. And next is associative property. Here in the case of addition and multiplication, even if the grouping is changed, it does not change the result. So addition and multiplication are associative, while subtraction and division are not associative. Now properties at one glance for all the three types of numbers. Addition and multiplication are commutative and associative for all these numbers, whereas subtraction and division are not commutative and associative. All these numbers are closed under addition and multiplication. Whole numbers are not closed under subtraction, while integers and rational numbers are closed under subtraction. And all these numbers are not closed under division, but rational numbers are closed under division if 0 is excluded. Hope you understand the properties of whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.